I just finished work, Emma. I am so tired today.
Me too, David. I was going to cook dinner, but I don't have any energy.
I was thinking the same thing. The thought of chopping vegetables and washing dishes right now sounds terrible.
It really does. My feet are tired from standing all day. I just want to relax on the sofa.
So, what should we do for dinner then? We have to eat something. I am starting to get very hungry.
I know. My stomach is rumbling too. Maybe we should order some takeout food.
That is a fantastic idea. Why didn't I think of that? We can have a delicious meal without any of the work.
Exactly. We can just have it delivered right to our door. It would be a nice treat after a long week.
It definitely would be. Okay, you have convinced me. Let's order something.
Great. This is much better than cooking. Now comes the important and difficult question.
What is the difficult question?
What kind of food should we order? There are so many options.
You are right. That is a big question. I'm so hungry, I could eat almost anything.
Well, let's think about it. What kind of food are you in the mood for?
Hmm, we could get pizza. Pizza is always easy and delicious.
That's true. Pizza is a safe choice. Or what about Chinese food? Some sweet and sour chicken sounds nice.
Oh, Chinese food is a good option too. I do like their fried rice and spring rolls.
We could also get Thai food. I was thinking about a nice green curry earlier today.
I like Thai food, but sometimes it can be very spicy. I'm not sure if I want something too spicy tonight.
We can usually ask them to make it mild. They can control the level of spice.
That's a good point. What other choices are there? There's the new Mexican restaurant that opened last month.
Oh, yes. We could get tacos or burritos. That could be fun and different.
Or Indian food. I love their naan bread and all the different sauces.
Wow, okay. We have too many choices now. We started with no ideas, and now we have 5. We need to narrow it down.
Okay, let's go through the list. What about the first option? Pizza.
I do love pizza. We could get one with pepperoni and mushrooms, and maybe some garlic bread on the side.
That does sound good. A classic choice. Which pizza place would we order from? The one down the street is pretty fast.
Yes, Pizza Palace is good, but didn't we have pizza last Saturday when Mark and Sarah came over?
Oh, you're right. We did. We ordered 2 large pizzas. I completely forgot about that.
It was delicious, but maybe we should try something different tonight. Having pizza twice in one week might be a little boring.
I agree. It's good to have some variety. So let's put pizza at the bottom of the list for now. It can be our backup plan.
Good idea. So, pizza is out for now. What was the next option on our list?
I think I said Chinese food. Do you feel like having Chinese food tonight?
I could eat it. I like it. But I'm not super excited about it tonight, if I'm being honest.
Okay, honesty is good. We want to choose something we are both excited to eat.
Exactly. So, no to pizza, and maybe no to Chinese food. What's next?
The next option was Thai food.
I know you said you were worried about it being too spicy.
Yes, that's my only concern. I love the flavors of Thai food, like lemongrass and coconut milk. But last time, my mouth was on fire.
I remember that. You drank a whole liter of milk. But I promise we can ask for it to be mild. Most restaurants are very good about that.
Are you sure? If we can get it with just a little bit of spice, then I am very interested.
I am sure. On the app, there is usually an option to choose your spice level: mild, medium, or hot. We will choose mild for everything.
Okay, that sounds perfect. I think I am leaning towards Thai food then. What kind of dishes do you like?
Well, my favorite is the green curry with chicken. It's so creamy and delicious with rice.
I've never tried the green curry. I always get the pad thai with shrimp. It has noodles, peanuts, and a sweet sauce. It's so good.
The pad thai is a great choice, too. I like it a lot. So it sounds like we both like the idea of Thai food tonight.
Yes, I think so. It feels more special than pizza and more exciting than Chinese food for tonight.
I agree. Okay, let's find a good Thai restaurant on the delivery app.
All right, I have my tablet here. I am opening the food delivery app now.
Okay. Can you search for Thai restaurants in our area?
Yes, I am typing Thai food into the search bar. Okay, a list has come up. There are 3 different restaurants near us.
3 options. That's great. How do we decide which one to choose?
Well, let's look at the customer ratings first. The first one is called Thai Delight. It has 4.5 stars. That's a very good rating.
4.5 stars is excellent. What about the other 2 places?
The second one is Bangkok Express. It only has 3 stars. The third one, Siam Palace, has 4 stars.
Hmm. I think we should avoid the one with only 3 stars. A rating of 4 or more is usually a safe bet. Okay, so we have chosen Thai Delight. Now for the fun part. Let's look at their menu.
I have the menu open now. It's a big menu. There are sections for appetizers, soups, curries, noodles, and rice dishes.
You already know what you want, right? You said you wanted the pad Thai with shrimp.
Yes, definitely. I see it right here. It says stir-fried rice noodles with shrimp, tofu, egg, bean sprouts, and crushed peanuts. That sounds perfect. I am adding 1 pad thai with shrimp to our cart.
My turn. I am going to get the green curry with chicken. Can you find it on the menu?
Yes, I see it in the curry section. The description says green curry with coconut milk, bamboo shoots, bell peppers, fresh basil, and chicken.
That sounds delicious. Please add that to the cart for me. And David, look. Right here, it has the option for spice level.
Oh, you were right. I see it. The options are mild, medium, spicy, or Thai spicy.
We will choose mild for both dishes, just to be safe. We want to enjoy the flavor.
Perfect. I am selecting mild for your curry and mild for my pad thai. So, we have our two main dishes in the cart.
Great. That was the most important part. Now, should we get any appetizers or side dishes to go with our meal?
I think we should get an appetizer. I love having something to snack on before the main course.
Me too. What do they have in their appetizer section? Do they have spring rolls?
Let me check. Yes, they do. They have vegetable spring rolls. It says they come with a sweet and sour dipping sauce.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I love spring rolls. How many come in one order?
The menu says you get 4 rolls per order. Do you think that's enough for us to share? 2 rolls each.
I think that's the perfect amount. It's a starter, not a whole meal. Let's add one order of the vegetable spring rolls to the cart.
Okay, they are added. Now, what about side dishes? Does your green curry come with rice?
Let me read the description again. It doesn't say. Usually, you have to order rice separately with curries.
Let's check the sides section of the menu. Yes, here it is. We can order a side of steamed jasmine rice.
We should definitely get some rice for the curry. Should we get one order or two?
I think 1 large order of rice will be plenty for you to share. I won't need much rice because my pad thai is a noodle dish.
That's a good point. We don't want to order too much food and waste it. So, one order of spring rolls and one large side of jasmine rice. Does that sound right?
That sounds like the perfect amount of food for a delicious dinner.
All right. I think our food order is complete. We have appetizers and main dishes. Is there anything else we need?
What about drinks? Do you want to add any drinks to the order?
I don't know. What do they have? Usually it's just cans of soda or bottled water.
Let me look at the drinks menu. Yes, they have Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, and bottled water. They also have Thai iced tea.
Oh, Thai iced tea is delicious. It's very sweet and creamy. I'm tempted to get one.
It does sound good, but I think I am happy with just having water from home. It's cheaper, and it's probably healthier too.
You are probably right. Ordering drinks can add a lot to the final bill. I have some nice lemon water in the fridge. I'll just have that instead.
Okay, so no drinks with the order. Is there anything else we need to think about?
What about special instructions? Sometimes there is a box where you can write a note for the restaurant.
Yes, I see that box. Do we have any special requests? You don't have any food allergies, do you?
No, no allergies. And we already chose our spice level. But for your pad thai, do you want to ask for extra peanuts on the side? You love the peanuts.
That is a brilliant idea. I always wish there were more. Okay, I am typing a note. Could we please have some extra crushed peanuts on the side for the pad thai? Thank you.
Okay, the special instruction is added. I think we are finally ready to place the order.
Before you click the final button, can we please review the entire order one last time? I just want to make sure everything is correct.
Of course, that's a very smart thing to do. Let's look at the shopping cart together.
Okay, what does it say? Read the items out loud for me.
All right, we have one order of vegetable spring rolls. That's correct.
Check.
We have one order of pad thai with shrimp, with the spice level set to mild, and the special note about extra peanuts.
That's correct. Check.
And we have one order of green curry with chicken, also with the spice level set to mild.
Perfect. Check. And did we remember the rice?
Yes, right here at the bottom. One large side of steamed jasmine rice. So 4 items in total.
Excellent. It all looks correct. Now, what about the price? What is the subtotal and the final total?
The subtotal for the food is $38. Then there is a tax of $3 and a delivery fee of $4. So the grand total is $45.
That seems reasonable for a full dinner for 2 people. And our address and phone number look correct at the top of the page, right?
Yes, the delivery address is correct. My payment information is already saved in the app. I just need to click the final button that says Place Order. Are we ready?
We are ready. Let's do it.
Okay, I am pressing the button now. And done. The order has been placed.
Wonderful. Did you get a confirmation screen or an email?
Both. A message just popped up on the screen. It says, "Thank you for your order. Thai Delight is now preparing your food." I also just got an email with the receipt.
That's great. I love how technology makes everything so easy. Does it show the estimated time of arrival on that screen?
Yes, it does. It has a little progress bar. It says the food should arrive in approximately 35 minutes.
35 minutes? That is perfect. That's not a long time to wait at all.
It gives us just enough time to get ready. We can set the table and maybe choose a movie to watch while we eat.
That sounds like a perfect, relaxing evening. I'll go get some plates and silverware. Can you find a good comedy movie for us to watch?
I can do that. I am already looking forward to dinner. I can almost smell the delicious curry and noodles now.
Me too. Ordering takeout was definitely the right decision tonight. Thank you for handling the ordering process, David.
Of course. And thank you for coming up with the brilliant idea in the first place, Emma. Now, let's go find that movie.